it's Caslin and Always Acting Up podcast. You've reached this week's mini pod where I share one of my favorite moments from last week's episode. Take a listen. When you're building your portfolio, I'm wondering if it's the same thing for as actors, we sort of have to brand ourselves. Would you have to say, I only want to do swimwear or I only want to do street fashion? Would you do a portfolio of only that specific type of genre, really, I guess? Or would you make your portfolio kind of a broad range of everything you can do?
I think, personally, you should do everything. I think you should have anything, because I've noticed a lot of models have a problem with only being seen as a certain type. And I get that with acting. Like, you can only play one type of role because that's all you've done. But in my mind, I'm like, all right, well, people are already telling me I shouldn't do this. I'm not going to give them a reason to tell me, okay, now you've only done bikini. You can only be half naked. Like, I can't see you in high fashion. I want to be able to say, okay, well, look, I have it, right? I have this. You think I can't do it? I'm going to have it. So I think, to escape the whole typecasting is what we would call it in acting. You should be able to show your skills in every form. Because that's how I see modeling. I see modeling and acting as an art form. Like, you're a muse. You're playing a part. You're playing a role. And so every time I get a shoot, if it's going to be streetwear, I'm going to pose like the best way I can pose to be that character who's modeling this look. And then if I'm in an evening gown, I want to be able to flip that switch and say, I can do this as well and be elegant or be whatever. So my advice would say, do everything. I know I've heard some models who really want to become a Victoria's Secret model, their agency only had them do boudoir and swimwear to get that job. But again, it depends on what works for you and what you want. I never want to be limited, because then once you become a Victoria's Secret model, that's the only thing people see you as is model underwear, right? But so I think it depends on your goals. If that's what you want to do, all for it. But if not, then why not?
I also think trying it all is a great way to see what you actually really like and what you look best in as well. Well, that was some great information. If you like what you heard, make sure to go back and check out the full episode to hear more. And of course, we here at Always Acting Up podcast cover plenty of other topics, such as getting a green card and working in the US, starting up a YouTube channel, making a feature film, and we even tell you how to be an actor from step 1 all the way to step 10. Let me know what you think, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Thanks for listening.